Good morning, folks. How are you all today? I've not looked outside yet. I thought we could do it together, see what kind of view we got. Come on, let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that. That's what I'm talking about.
Our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seems.
It's definitely a good idea to turn in last night. It is 20 past 10 and I feel okay. I would have been a wreck if I'd have carried on till like 6:30 in the morning. I am itching to get there just in case the snow melts. But yeah, it's not worth crashing over, is it? What an amazing view. So yeah, the plan is, like I say, to get on with it a little bit. I know it's gorgeous landscapes down here. I know I'm not blind, but yeah, I want to at least go skiing once because I'm carrying all my ski gear around with me, so it's kind of pointless if I don't. So we'll go tackle that hurdle first, and then once I've done that, then I can start exploring a bit more. It's gorgeous here. It's warm. Well, it's warm in the cab. Can't imagine it's very warm outside. Top tip: park your van, park your van point in the sun, and then you basically have a greenhouse in the morning when you come sit in the front. Maybe I should get some plants in here. Yeah, I ain't got it in me for the long driving anymore. It's day one of Scotland 2020. What a way to start the day, eh? What a way. Right then, team, I don't know about you, but I'm about ready to chip. Yeah, the fuel light's on, so I do actually need it now. Can't believe that last night. Absolute typical piss take, wasn't it? It's the first park up I went to, look. Oh, they had toilets there as well. All cars now. Leaving by 9 o'clock. You must be having a giraffe. Open now, isn't there? Scruffy. Full tank in again. £72. Ooh. I've put in a spot. It's right up. It's not quite at the ski area, but it's very close. Still bloody 3.5 hours to go. Big old country, you know. I don't think people realise how far up it actually is. Right. Onwards.
We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls. The final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door.
Oh my god, it looks insane. I wish you could see this as I can see this with my eyes right now. Oh my. Oh my god, that is sick. I've got no words whatsoever. Are you serious? Look where we are.
I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain.
I had to pull over.
I didn't have the words to
Just look at it. It's insane.
I never felt like this before.
Campervan road a bit. Come out of the snow now, which sucks. Them big mountains are back over there. Oh well. See if this park up's any good. Damn, it's just down here somewhere.
Then we were dancing on wire. Yeah, we were dancing on wire.
That'll bloody do. Timed that just right, I think, because now we're sort of in a blizzard. Can't see anything. This will do for the night though. Definitely. Yeah, that is most definitely me done for the day. Yeah, I was looking at the when you go up to Aviemore and then you go to the ski place. But by the looks of it, I think you have to pay for the car park. I don't know. I'm going to have to find out tomorrow, but I didn't want to go all up there tonight and then end up having to come back, so I thought I'd park down here and then go explore tomorrow. Oh, you know what it's time for? I'll tell you what it's time for. It's time to have a beer with all my mates. Cheers. Let's see what we got on the 5-star Gordon Ramsay restaurant tonight. I'm curious about this, so if you look, I'm on 97%, so it's going to be interesting to see how much power I use in like a standard evening, because I'm going to stick the TV on in a minute. So yeah, I'll be interesting to see what the batteries actually go down to. Don't forget that I've took one out as well, see what I actually use. I mean, I'm not doing anything differently than I normally would. Got the lights on and, you know, whatever. I did, as you can probably see, manage to burn most of it. I was too busy on my phone, but oh well, whatever. Right folks, turning a clock. Just a simple video again today. So yeah, not really been anywhere, just another driving day. So yeah, I'm hoping tomorrow I'll try and get up nice and early, get the video done. And then I'll head over that way, see if I can get a bit of skiing in. Probably won't get a full day in, but to be fair, casting my mind back to last winter, after, you know, a couple of hours you're dead anyway. I mean, I'm not the fittest person in the world, and I've not done it for a year, so you know, it's going to be pretty full on, I imagine. So I think a couple of hours, you know, 2-3 hours, I'll be done anyway. So I think if you start after 12 you get a discount. I imagine I'll spend the first day getting my bearings back anyway. I'll probably be on the bloody beginner slope, which is fine. My skiing experience is about 1 month's worth, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know, see how it goes. Maybe if I can do, you know, a couple of sessions at cheaper, and then they might even have a beginner area there. I don't know, I've not really looked. Should probably look. Do that in the morning. Right. I'll see you then. Catch you in a bit.
We